Yes student, welcome to your mathematics class. Today we are just going to start our 5.3 exercise and the topic is the modulus and the conjugate. I have already introduced about these two terms in the previous class where I am just recalling it. If z is equal to a plus iota b, and what will be the conjugate of it? That affects only the imaginary part. This is the symbol of conjugate. So what you will write here, that is a minus iota b, and how you will get the modulus? The part of the square of the real part plus square of the imaginary part. Okay, this is the basic which we have done in the previous class, and the most of the properties of this we have done. Now come to the first example of it. Find the conjugate and modulus of the first question. There is iota into root minus 9 plus 5 iota. Firstly, you have to simplify it. Iota into root of minus 1, that is iota, and root of 9 is 3. So plus 5 iota. Iota into iota, that is iota square. So iota square into 3, that is minus 3 plus 5 iota. So you have to find the conjugate of this minus 3 plus 5 iota. It means the symbol is a whole conjugate, and as you know that the conjugate affects only on the imaginary part. Here sign gets changed. So on the place of 5 iota we have minus 5 iota. That is your answer. And how you will get the modulus of it? The modulus of minus 3 plus 5 iota. How you will get the symbol? This is the symbol. Okay, this is the more symbol, and the formula is the square of real part plus square of the imaginary part, that is 9 plus 25, that is equal to 34. This is your second answer. Now come to the second example. Okay, and how to find the conjugate of root of 5 plus 12 iota? Firstly I am going to simplify it. Then I will see what is the question demands, either of the conjugate or a modulus. Firstly I am just taking in the simplest form. Okay, so this is the question in the denominator. Okay, the question is you have to find the conjugate of it. And how you will get the conjugate of it? Firstly make it in the simplest form, in the form of a complex number. So I am just going to rationalize it. Okay, in denominator there is the negative symbol, so I am taking with the plus symbol. Same thing, and in denominator the same thing is there, that is root of 5 plus 12 iota plus root of 5 minus 12 iota. As you can see that both the terms are the same, so you can write as whole square of this. And in the denominator there is a minus b into a plus b. So the whole square of first one and the whole square of second one. There is the identity of a plus b into a minus b. Okay. After doing this work, now you have to solve the formula of a plus b whole square. Firstly the a square plus a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is 5 plus 12 iota into 5 minus 12 iota. And as you can see that in the denominator there is the square of this. The square root will be cancelled by this, and the square root is cancelled by this. You will have 5 plus 12 iota, and in the bracket there is a 5 minus 12 iota. This square is also cancelled by this. This square is also cancelled by this. You will have 5 plus 12 iota plus 5 minus 12 iota. 5 12 iota minus 12 iota also cancel. 5 plus 5. You will have 10 plus 2. In the bracket both are in root and multiply, and with the identity that is a plus b into a minus b. So you will write here the 5 square minus 12 iota square. And in denominator there is a minus symbol. So after open the bracket the sign gets changed, and 5 will be cancelled by the 5. There is a 12 iota plus 12 iota, that is 24 iota. Okay, in numerator you have 10 plus 2 into, within the root there is a 5 square, that is 25 minus 144 iota square. 144 iota square. Put the value of iota square. It's become plus 44. And 144 plus 25. That is 169. That is equal to 13. And by 24 iota. 13 2 is 26. 26 plus 10. That is 36 by 24 iota. So on solving this value, you have 3 by 2 iota. Iota is still in denominator, so it's not acceptable form. Multiply with iota and divide with iota. Then you will have your z in the form of a complex number where 0 and 3 by 2 iota into iota. Iota square. So iota square is minus, so you can write it as 0 minus 3 by 2 iota. Now this is the simplest form, that is in the form of a complex number. This question is now converted into this form. Now what the question demands? You need the conjugate of this. It means these terms are equal, so you need the conjugate of this. If this is z, then the value of z conjugate is equal to 0 minus 3 by 2 whole bar, which is equal to the 0 plus 3 by 2 iota. Okay. Since that conjugate affects only on the imaginary part, so its negative sign converted into the positive, and this is your answer. Come to the third example. What is the third example actually? What is the third example? In the third example, the statement is find the conjugate of a complex number, that is 1 plus iota raised power 2n plus 1, and in denominator get 1 minus iota and power is 2n minus 1. Again, I have already told you that we have to take it in the simplest form, and then I perform whatever the question demands. So I multiply it with, there is 1 minus, so for rationalizing there is a opposite symbol with the power 2n minus 1. Okay, with the same I have divided it 2n minus 1. As you can see that both the base is same, a power m into a power n. Okay, as you know that the a power n into a power n, so it's become a power m plus n. In the multiplication, this is the exponents property, so you have to add it 1 plus iota. Here is power 2n plus 1 and here is the power 2n minus n, both will add it, and in denominator the power is same but the base is different. So a power n into b power n, it's become ab whole power n. Since the power is same, so taking on one time, so on multiplying these terms you can see that there is identity a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square and power is 2n minus 1. Okay, so 1 plus iota, on numerator you have 2n and 2n, that is 4n, and in denominator you have minus iota square. Put the value of iota square, that is minus 1 minus minus plus 1 into 1, that is 2, and the power of 2n minus 1. Okay, on solving this, that there is a 4n, I just write it as a 2n into 2. Okay, firstly apply the formula of 2 and then into 2n, and in denominator there is 2 into power 2n minus 1. Okay, after solving the whole formula there is a square plus b square, that will be cancelled. Okay, so you have only 1 plus iota square plus 2 iota. Okay, and there is 2n only, so this will be cancelled by this one. You have 2 power 2n minus 1. On splitting the power you have 2 into 2n and iota power 2n. In denominator there is a 2 power 2n into, after splitting the power you have 2 power minus 1. This will be cancelled. So you have here iota power 2, that is minus 1. I think there is a power n, and in denominator to make it positive power, that is 1 by 2. That will become 2 into minus 1 power n. Okay, is it real or imaginary? This, if here this is z, so your z is 2 into minus 1 power n. I think there is no iota is there to make it a proper complex number, so g plus 0 iota is there, and you have to find the conjugate of it. So the conjugate of this will become, there is no matter whatever I have added, because there is a 0 iota, so minus 0 iota will be answer. Your answer will be same. In this question, your z conjugate is equal to z. There is no difference between z and z conjugate. Come to the question number 4. What is the question number 4? Z1 is equal to 1 minus iota and Z2 is equal to minus 2 plus 4 iota. In the question you have to multiply Z1, Z multiply Z2. 1 minus iota is there and minus 2 plus 4 iota is there. Multiply it. Firstly multiply with minus 2, you will have minus 2 plus 2 iota, and multiply with the 4 iota, you will have plus 4 iota minus 4 iota square. And after putting the value of iota square, you will have plus 2, and these two like items that are added, and we will get the 6 iota. 4 minus 2, that is 2 plus 6 iota. Okay, this is the Z1 into Z2. And you also need the Z1 conjugate. As you know that the Z1 conjugate will be, Z1 conjugate will be 1 minus iota. In the place of 1 minus iota, you will have 1 plus iota. These are the values which we use in other question. Okay. Firstly, what is the part? You have to find the actually Z1 into Z2 by Z1 conjugate. And what is the Z1 into Z2? That is 2 plus 6 iota. And what is the Z1 conjugate? That is 1 plus iota. Firstly, simplify it. So, rationalize it. After rationalization, you will have multiply 2 and you will have 2 minus 6 iota square, that is plus 6, 2 plus 6, that is 8, and the 6 iota minus 2 iota, that is plus 4 iota, and denominator you will have only 2. Okay, so after solving these, you have, after taking 2 common, you will have 4 into 2 iota. It means Z1 into Z2 by Z conjugate, you will have 4 plus 2 iota. Now what is the question? Find the real part of this. Okay, if you need the real part of this, can you tell me what is the real part of this term? That is 4. So if someone talking about the real part of any number, first if solve that part and then in the form convert into the form of complex number, then you will tell that what is the real part of it and what is the imaginary part. And what is the imaginary part of this? Z1 Z2 into Z1 modulus, that is 2. And so your answer is, real part is 4 and the imaginary part is 2. Try these type of question. Thank you.